ISD recently held its General Assembly in a virtual format for the first time for its 1,600 teachers and 3,400 employees, and everyone is excited.
When I watched the video, I felt like it was really positive. I felt reassured that the district was going to be there to help us whenever we needed help, that our leaders were making the best decisions for our students.
Teachers are anxious to start the new school year.
In the virtual General Assembly, we were really excited about starting the new year. I think it's really great that McAllen ISD has provided all of the students with new tablets, and they've added additional internet around the community.
Just be you.
When Mr. Alvarado said, just be you. And whenever, I'm facing any kind of struggle and with technology, a struggle with the lessons, I stop and I think about that, just be you.
We did wish we could have that same face-to-face interaction, but, we're willing to just deal with what we're going through right now and make the best of whatever situation we're in.
The first day of school will be Monday, August 24th, and McAllen ISD will be 100% virtual.